Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. I'm giving you knowledge about the Customs Act 52 of 1962. The acts which is found in 1962 after the independence of India, after 15 years of independence of India. And in the 16th year, the Act has been implemented. The Customs Act 1962 had been implemented from the 1st February 1963. And before the Customs Act 1962, there is a Sea Customs Act 1932 also. In the implement process. But after the year 1963, the Customs Act 1962 is come into force, and till date this is continuing. So in the last video we have seen up to the section number 21 from the chapter number 5, Levy of an exemption from custom duties. Now here I am once again telling you the sections of the chapter number 5 which we have seen in the last 2-3 videos. Section number 5. So in the chapter number 5, Levy of an exemption from custom duties. From the section number 12 we have started. And the section number 12 is dutiable of goods. Section number 13, duty on pilfered goods. Section number 14 is valuation of goods. Section number 14 is valuation of goods. Section number 15 is date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of imported goods. Section number 15 is date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of imported goods. Section number 16 is date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of export goods. In the section number 16, there is provision for date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of export goods. In the section number 17, there is assessment of duty. Section number 17 is of assessment of duty. Section number 18 is provisional assessment of duty. Section number 18 is provisional assessment of duty. Section number 19 is determination of rate of duty where goods consist of articles liable to different rates of duty. Section number 19 is determination of duty where goods consist of articles liable to different rates of duty. Section number 20 is re-importation of goods. Section number 20 is re-importation of goods. Section number 21 is goods derelict, break, etc. Section number 21 is goods derelict, break, etc. So these sections we have seen in the last videos. I have explained all these sections to you in the last 2-3 videos. So if you want to watch these videos, please go my channel page, and there you can find the sections from 12 to 21. Now in this video we are going to see the sections 22, 23, 25 and 24. Now section number 22 is abatement of duty on damaged or deteriorated goods. Section number 23 is remission of duty on lost or abandon of goods. Section number 24 is power to make rules for denaturing or mutilation of goods. And the section number 25 here is power to grant exemption from duty. So these four sections we are going to see in this video. I will explain about these four sections in this video. So section number 22 is abatement of duty on damaged or deteriorated goods. Subsection 1. Where it is shown to the satisfaction of the Assistant Commissioner of Customs or Deputy Commissioner of Customs, Clause A, that any imported goods had been damaged or had deteriorated at any time before or during the unloading of the goods in India. Or Clause B, that any imported goods other than warehouse goods had been deteriorated or damaged at any time after the unloading thereof in India, but before their examination under section 17 on account of any accident not due to any willful act, negligence or default of the importer, his employee or agent. Or Clause C, that any warehouse goods had been damaged at any time before clearance for home consumption on account of any accident not due to any willful act, negligence or default of the owner, his employee or agent. Such goods shall be chargeable to duty in accordance with the provisions of subsection 2. Now, what is subsection 2? Subsection 2 is the duty to be charged on the goods referred to in subsection 1 shall bear the same proportion to the duty chargeable on the goods before the damage or deterioration, which the value of the damaged or deteriorated goods bears to the value of the goods before the damage or deterioration. Subsection 3. For the purposes of this section, the value of damaged or deteriorated goods may be ascertained by either of the following methods at the option of the owner. Clause A, the value of such goods may be ascertained by the proper officer. Or Clause B, such goods may be sold by the proper officer by public auction or by tender or with the consent of the owner in any other manner, and the gross sale proceeds shall be deemed to the value of such goods. So, if any goods at the time of unloading thereof had been damaged or deteriorated, or before the unloading in India, there is a provision that Assistant Commissioner of Customs or Deputy Commissioner of Customs can abate the duty on such goods which are damaged or deteriorated at the time before the unloading of goods in India and before the proper officer has given order permitting clearance of the same goods. So on the same goods, there is abatement of duty. Section 23, remission of duty on lost or destroyed or abandoned of goods. Section number 23 is remission of duty on lost, destroyed or abandoned goods. So there is also provision for remit duty on lost, destroyed or abandoned of goods. So we are going to see here what is given in section number 23. Subsection 1, without prejudice to the provisions of section 13, where it is shown to the satisfaction of the Assistant Commissioner of Customs or Deputy Commissioner of Customs, that any imported goods have been lost or otherwise can by a result of pilferage or destroyed at any time before clearance for home consumption. The Assistant Commissioner of Customs or Deputy Commissioner of Customs shall remit the duty on such goods. Subsection 2. The owner of any imported goods may at any time before an order for clearance of the goods for home consumption under Section 47 or an order for permitting the deposit of goods in a warehouse under Section 60 has been made, relinquish his title of the goods, and thereupon he shall not be liable to pay the duty thereon, provided that the owner of such imported goods shall not be allowed to relinquish his title to such goods regarding which an offence appears to have been committed under this Act or any other law for the time being in force. In the subsection 1 of section 23, the AC or DC of the customs may remit the duty on lost or destroyed goods. The goods which are lost or destroyed before the proper officer has given the order permitting clearance of the same goods. And in the subsection 2, there is clearly mentioned that any time before the order permitting clearance of the goods, the owner of the imported goods relinquish his title to the goods, and thereupon he shall not be liable to pay the duty on the relinquished goods. And in the provision of subsection 2, there is clearly mentioned that if the importer has done any offence in relation to the same goods, he cannot relinquish his title to that goods. There is no provision to relinquish the title of the same goods if person has committed any offence related to these goods. So we have seen till time in this video 2 sections. Section number 22, abatement of duty on damaged or deteriorated goods. Section number 23, remission of duty on lost, destroyed or abandoned of goods. Section number 24, how to make rules for denaturing or mutilation of goods. The central government may make rules for permitting, at the request of the owner, the denaturing or mutilation of the imported goods which are ordinarily used for more than one purpose, so as to render them unfit for one or more of such purposes. And where any goods are so denatured or mutilated, they shall be chargeable to duty at such rate as would be applicable if the goods had been imported in the denatured or mutilated form. So in the section number 24, how to make rules for denaturing or mutilation of goods. Section number 25, how to grant exemption from duty. Section number 25 is of how to grant exemption from duty. Subsection 1, if the central government is satisfied that it is necessary in the public interest so to do, it may by notification in the official gazette exempt generally, either absolutely or subject to such conditions to be fulfilled before or after clearance as may be specified in the notification of goods of any specified description from the whole or any part of duty of customs leviable thereon. Subsection 2. If the central government is satisfied that it is necessary in the public interest so to do, it may by special order in each case exempt from the payment of duty under circumstances of an exceptional nature to be stated in such order, and any goods on which duty is leviable. Subsection 2a. The central government, if it considers it necessary to expedient so to do for the purposes of clarifying the scope or applicability of any notification issued under subsection 1 or order issued under subsection 2, insert an explanation in such notification or order as the case may be, by notification in the official gazette at any time within 1 year of issue of such notification under subsection 1 or order under subsection 2, and every such explanation shall have effect as if it had always been the part of the first such notification or order as the case may be. Subsection 3. An exemption under subsection 1 and subsection 2 in respect of any goods from any part of duty of customs leviable thereon, the duty of customs leviable thereon being hereinafter referred to as the statutory duty, may be granted by providing for the levy of duty on such goods at a rate expressed in a form or method different from the form or method in which the statutory duty is leviable, and any exemption granted in relation to any goods in the manner provided in this subsection shall have effect to the condition that the duty of customs chargeable on such goods shall in no case exceed the statutory duty. So here he is given explanation. Form or method in relation to a rate of duty of customs means the basis, namely valuation, weight, number, length, area, volume or other measure with reference to which the duty is leviable. Subsection 4. Every notification issued under subsection 1 or subsection 2a shall, unless otherwise provided, come into force on the date of its issue by the central government or publication in the official gazette. Subsection 4a. Where any exemption granted subject to any condition under subsection 1, such exemptions shall, unless otherwise specified or varied or rescinded, be valid up to 31st day of March falling immediately after 2 years from the date of such grant or variation, provided that in respect of any such exemption in force as on the date on which the Finance Bill 2021 receives the assent of the President, the said period of 2 years shall be reckoned from the first day of February 2021. Subsection 6. Notwithstanding anything contained in this act, no duty shall be collected if the amount of duty is leviable equal to or less than rupees 100. If the custom duty is equal to 100 or below the 100, this will be not collected under subsection 6 of the section 25, power to grant exemption from duty. Subsection 7. The mineral oils including petroleum and natural gas extracted or produced in the continental shelf of India or exclusive economic zone of India as referred to in section 6 and section 7 respectively of the territorial waters, continental shelf, exclusive economic zone and other maritime zones act 1976, 80 of 1976, and imported prior to the 7th day of February 2002 shall be deemed to be and shall always be deemed to have been exempted from the whole of the duties of customs leviable on such mineral oils, and accordingly, notwithstanding anything contained in any judgment, decree, or order of any court, tribunal, or other authority, no suit or other proceedings in respect of such mineral oil shall be maintained or continued in any court, tribunal, or other authority. Subsection 8. Notwithstanding the exemption provided under subsection 7, no refund of duties of customs paid in respect of the mineral oils specified therein shall be made. So in the subsection 8, notwithstanding the exemption provided under subsection 7, no refund of duties of customs paid in respect of mineral oils specified therein shall be made. So guys, we have seen 4 sections in this video. Section number 22, abatement of duty on damaged or deteriorated goods. Subsection also seen in this section. Now again we have seen section 22, then section 23, remission of duty on lost, destroyed, or abandon of goods. Section number 24, power to make rules for denaturing or mutilation of goods. And section number 25, power to grant exemption from customs duty. So these 4 sections we have seen in this video. In the next video, we are going to see another 3 sections of the chapter number 5, levy of an exemption from customs duties. So we have seen 14 sections in the chapter number 5, levy of an exemptions from customs duties. Once again, I am repeating these sections. Section number 12, dutiable goods. Section number 13, duty on pilfered goods. Section number 14, valuation of goods. Section number 15, date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of imported goods. Section number 16, date for determination of rate of duty and tariff valuation of export goods. Section number 17 is assessment of duty. Section number 18 is provisional assessment of duty. Section number 19 is determination of duty, where goods consist of articles liable to different rates of duty. Section number 20, re-importation of goods. Section number 21, goods derelict, wreck, etc. Section number 22, abatement of duty on damaged or deteriorated goods. Section number 23, remission of duty on lost, destroyed, or abandoned of goods. Section number 24, power to make rules for denaturing or mutilation of goods. And section number 25, power to grant exemption from duty. So these are 14 sections we have seen till time in the chapter number 5, levy of an exemption from customs duty. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can listen or watch videos while traveling or while doing other activities. Being a working professional, we are not able to read a book every day. So that is very good option for you to listen or watch the videos on the Customs Act 1962, and this also helps you to expand your knowledge regarding the customs clearance and as well as import export of the goods. Thank you guys.